This is the simple example. Here we need to cut a triangle with corner. So this is little tricky, not tricky, but it's new for the beginners. So let's start to create this simple model, and you will find exactly like this. So we will cut this triangle shape here. So let's start to create this one. Now according to drawing, we will start with base. Base is 50 by 80 and extrude up to 18 millimeter. So let me choose here top plane, sketch. I'll choose here center rectangle and start from origin. Okay, right click select, choose here smart dimension and define the dimensions. Upper one 88 millimeter and the lower one 50 millimeter. That's it. Now exit and go to extruded boss base, and we need to extrude up to 18 millimeter. This is according to drawing. Okay. Okay. Now what next? And then later we will make this cross shape. Then we will define this cutout. So select this face, sketch normal, and here we will make our cross section. So I will start with line. Keep geometry closed. Keep all the lines horizontal and vertical. Close. Now all the lines created. Now let me define some relation. So collinear, the same here, collinear relation. Let me choose here same collinear, and the last one collinear. Let's define a smart dimension 12 millimeter and the distance from here to outer edge 38 millimeter. This also 12 millimeter and the distance from top edge keep 10 millimeter. Now you can see the drawing is fully defined. You can see in your bottom edge. So select extruded boss base and extrude up to 38 millimeter. See. Okay. Now we want to trim these faces. So what we will do to let me define some color. Okay, so we need to create some sketches, then we will define it. Select this face, sketch, take the normal position, choose here okay center rectangle and draw rectangle just equivalent to the initial one, but select here for construction purpose. Okay, now exit. Now see, this is helpful for the. Now select this face, sketch, check the normal position, line, and draw one line from here to this upper line. Exit. Now select this line and create for construction purpose. Okay, smart dimension. Now define from here to this point angle 45 degree. Okay, now it's time to define our plane. Exit. Now with the help of this two sketch we will define our plane. So just go to plane. Now in plane we will see first reference, second reference, third reference. We will choose here 3 reference point. So first this point. Okay, now the second this point. Okay, now the third this point. See, you can see the preview of plane. Okay, now I'll choose this plane, sketch, take the normal position, not like this, this is better. I'll choose here line and okay, let me start with from here up to here, this point and this point. Exit. Now this drawing is fully defined because this we drawn in the fixed point and in a particular plane, so each and every point has relation. So it's time to extrude. Exit and go to feature and select extrude cut. See, just drag maximum upward direction, blindness anything, just okay, and select here okay. Now see it's trimmed. Let me hide this all plane, hide this geometry and this line. Now see how we cut a simple triangle here. You can see in drawing, this is ABC point. If you want to give another color, just select the face. I'll give white 2 3 faces. Okay, so this is the simple example of model. I hope you like it. This is for beginners only. Don't forget to share and like our video. If you have any comment, just write down below. We will try to answer each and every question. Thanks for watching.